Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to cast to Firestick from iPhone. Let's go. Open App Store. Find and install AirScreen app. Open AirScreen app. Continue. Confirm. Scan QR code. Your Firestick and your iPhone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open screen mirroring. Choose AirScreen. Done. That's it. Now you know how to cast to Firestick from iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.